iPhone low volume problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix iPhone low volume problem. So let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all go to settings. Now scroll down and find sound and haptic option. Now click on sound and haptic option. From here, increase your sound volume. And then just scroll down. Now go to volume limit. From here, turn off your volume limit. Just turn off it. Now go back to main settings and scroll down. Go to Face ID and passcode. Now enter your phone passcode. Now scroll down and here you can see attention aware feature. Just turn off this option. After this process, I hope your problem will be solved. If still problem not resolved, then you will need to reset your phone. After then still problem remaining, you have to go service point to check your phone. Stay connected for more updates.